Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. Today we're going to talk about the best roof for a school. So the best commercial roof for a school is one that lasts a long time, is energy efficient, is the most cost effective long term, and is easy to maintain. So we're going to go through all four of those points real quickly today. The first point, the different roofing systems, how long do each one of them last? So a metal roofing system can last 40 to 70 years. A single ply roof, such as TPO or EPDM, usually lasts 20 to 30 years. And then a spray foam roof typically is warranted 10 to 20 years, but they are renewable. So we always say, a spray foam roof can last as long as the building is. So it is a renewable roofing system. It can last indefinitely. Now you want to look at energy efficiency. As a kid growing up, going to school, I didn't even notice this till a little bit ago, but these schools back then, they only had heat for the winter. Nowadays they have AC and heat, which means for a school, you're constantly running energy all year long. So when you look for a new roofing system, you want one that's as energy efficient as possible. So a metal roof and a single ply roof, they use polyiso board or some type of wood fiber board that's installed in the roof, and the R value is about 5.5 per inch of thickness. A spray foam roof has an R value of 6.5 per inch of thickness, and really the big difference is the boards, they need to be fastened down into the roof, and heat and cool can escape through those fasteners, essentially let energy go off through the roof. I've seen photos of snow on a school roof where there's snow on there, but there's little holes where the heat escaped through the screws. So that's just your heat escaping. A foam roof is fluid applied, completely seamless, so there's no opportunity for air to leak through the roof. Another thing when you're considering a roof for a school is cost effectiveness, not just the installation, but long term. A metal roof and a single ply roof, they cost between $8 and $12 per square foot. Maybe metal's just maybe $1 or $2 more. A spray foam roof is about the same, $8 to $12 per square foot, but it all depends on square footage, how tall the building is, what kind of R value you're seeking. But really, what you should look at is roof renewability. So on a single ply roof or a metal roof, when those warranties are over, most likely that roof needs to be torn off, transported to a landfill, and then you have to install a new roofing system on. A spray foam roof is renewable. So a foam roof, it's 1.5 inches of foam usually, 2 levels of coating, and it has granules on top of that. So the coating and the granules are sacrificial, so they'll wear away naturally, but once the warranty is over, a contractor can clean the roof, put new coating and granules on there, and you get a new warranty. So obviously that's more cost effective than ripping everything off and starting over. And the last point is about roof maintenance. No matter what roofing system you install on your school roof, they all need to be maintained. Usually in the fall and spring. On a single ply roof and a metal roof, because they have that polyiso board insulation, if they get a cut or a puncture, or there's any water entry point, water can get in there and saturate the insulation below and expand into a larger area. If you want to repair that, you have to find how far away the water is expanded, rip it all out, put a new board down, put a new membrane down, and then you're done. A foam roof has closed cell properties, so if it's nicked or cut, water will just sit on top of the foam roof. It has no opportunity to travel vertically down into the system. So what a contractor can do, because the foam roof, it'll sit right on top of the cut well, they'll just cut around the area, dry it out, fill it up with caulk or coating, smooth it out, and you're done. Very simple process. And that's really it today. Just wanted to point out 4 things. If you have a school looking for a new roof, look out for those 4 things. And if you want to learn anything in more detail today, there's a link below to the full blog post. I hope you learned something new today, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.